Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about Tinder app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder, and here if you find updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your time.